Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make the cross stitch in rounds. If you have seen some of my videos and written pattern previously, I have done a blanket with a cross stitch in round and a bucket hat and a beanie as well. So this stitch is very pretty in general, and in round it's even prettier. I hope you like the tutorial and you find it easy to follow. Let me know your thoughts and if you have any questions, and without further ado we'll get started with the tutorial. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn number 4 acrylic yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll get started with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Join to the first chain with a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. Should make it 12. And join with a slip stitch in the beginning chain. So we got 2 rounds of single crochet. Now round 3, I'm gonna start the cross stitch round. So I'm gonna chain 2. So the space in the same chain 2 will be considered as a stitch, which is this one. I'm gonna skip this one and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now I'm gonna work back 1 double crochet in this stitch. So I'm gonna yarn over, come back with a hook behind this stitch and work a double crochet. Make it a bit loose. This is the first cross stitch complete. Now I'm gonna skip this stitch, unworked stitch, and I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the next stitches. Again, I'm gonna repeat and come back and work a double crochet in this unworked stitch. So yarn over, come back from behind and work a double crochet. Second cross stitch in the round. I will repeat the same. I should have total of 6 or 4, we'll see. So skip the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. come back and work a double crochet. Skip. So it is four cross stitch total. And I'm gonna join to the beginning chain 2. This is so far how it looks like a flower. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make 2 single crochet in every stitch just to flatten this round. So I'm gonna chain 1 and 2 single crochet in every stitch. So a total of 26 single crochet and join to the beginning chain 1. So it got flat. We'll work again a cross stitch row. I'm gonna chain 2. This time I'm gonna skip this stitch, the first one, and I'm gonna work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And come back and work a double crochet in the skipped stitch. We'll repeat the same throughout the row. Skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. Yarn over, come back to the unworked stitch and make a loose double crochet. You're gonna repeat this for the entire round. So if you're interested in few projects on what to make with this cross stitching round, I have made a round blanket previously, I have made a bucket hat, and coming is a cross stitch beanie, worked in the rounds like this. You'll find them all in the on my channel, and the written pattern will be in the blog. See how it looks? Very pretty, especially if you use different colors as well. and the last cross stitch. What we're gonna do, we have 2 stitches left. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the last stitch and 1 back double crochet, and join to the initial chain 2. This is how it looks so far. Again, in the next round I'm gonna make chain 1 and 2 single crochet in every stitch. So till row 7, what I'm gonna do is 1 round of 2 single crochet in every stitch and 1 round of cross stitch until round 7. So chain 1 and 2 single crochet in every stitch. So 51 single crochet total, and this is how it looks so far. So again, I'm gonna continue with the cross stitch round, and then again 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next round, like I said, till round 7, and then I'll come back to show you what to do next on round 8. So from round 8 we're gonna start the decrease of the single crochet round. Instead of making 2 single crochet in every stitch, we're gonna start making 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and repeat 2 1 2 1, and then a cross stitch round, and then again decrease of the single crochet, like when you make a flat circle and you start the decrease of double single crochet. The written pattern will be linked in the description box for you to follow. I'll make it till around 15 for you to follow, and you follow up with whichever project you want to make. So I'll come back, like I said, in round 8 to show you what to do next. So here, this is the end of round 7, which is a cross stitch row, and now we're gonna start round 8. So in round 8 I'm gonna make a single crochet round with which we'll start a decrease. That means I'm gonna chain 1, I'm gonna do 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and I will alternate 2 1 2 1, like I have explained earlier. And then the next round, which is 9, will be a cross stitch, and from that point onwards every single crochet round will have a decrease. Means after round 8 will be round 10. I'll make 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and I will repeat. And then the next round of single crochet, again it will be a decrease, exactly like when you do the flat circle, a single crochet flat circle, and you do a decrease in every round. The cross stitch round will be always the same. There is no change, no increase or decrease. The only round where we do a decrease is the single crochet round. So again, if you have any confusion, check the written pattern so you can follow along. So I'm gonna start the single crochet round by chaining 1. In the first stitch I'm gonna make 2 single crochet. In the next stitch 1 single crochet, and I will repeat 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, and repeat 2 1 2 1 till the end of the round. So I will finish around 15 rounds and then I'll come back to show you how it looks after 15 rounds. Don't forget to check the other projects like the round blanket and the bucket hat. I'll try and put the link in the description box if I remember. So this is how the round cross stitch looks like after 11 rounds. Yes, 12 rounds, sorry, 12 rounds, and this is how you'll continue. So as I said, this round is good for many projects. Just I'll explain everything clearly before I end this video. So we started by making 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, then 2 single crochet around, then we started with the cross stitch round and followed by 2 single crochet in every stitch round till round 8. Then we started in the single crochet round, decreasing the double single crochet by 1, and then a cross stitch, and then another single crochet round where we did 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then a cross stitch. And on the 12th row, what I did is a single crochet only, 1 single crochet in every stitch, just to keep the cross stitch round flat. So this gets bigger if you want to make a blanket. The pattern for the blanket is in the blog, also for the bucket hat. But if you have any other project in your mind, please feel free to do it. The only thing you need to remember, once your work starts being a bit slouchy or not as flat as you want it, you can go ahead and make 1 single crochet in every stitch round, so to make it flat again. It's not very complicated, and then go ahead as per the normal flat circle decrease. I hope it's clear. I hope the tutorial is clear and you'll try to make your own or any of the projects available. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.